Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to add your credit or debit card to Moonpay. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google Play Store or the App Store and download the Moonpay application. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Moonpay if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see, here in the top side of the screen, we have the buy, sell, and swap. Of course, then we have the Moonpay account, popular tokens. And in the top right corner, we have notifications, default currency, theme, support, delete your account, etc., etc. But now, guys, let's see how you can actually go and add your credit or debit card to Moonpay. So first of all, you need to sign in, so log into your Moonpay account. Then initiate a purchase. Start a transaction by selecting the cryptocurrency you want to buy. Click here, click the amount, and click continue. Then add payment method. During the order confirmation, you'll be prompted to add a payment method. Click on the add payment method, enter card details, input your card or debit card information, including card number, expiration date, and CVV. Verify. So Moonpay uses 3D Secure to verify card payments, so you might need to complete an additional verification step with your bank. Once card is added, you can use it for future transactions on Moonpay. If you encounter any issue, make sure your bank supports transactions with Moonpay and your card is enabled for online purchases. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it'll be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, bye guys.